Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have the second half of my free stuff yard sale haul. My nephew is having a yard sale for a house clean out that he did. He got paid to clean out the house, but he also got to keep everything that he took out of the house. And he had a yard sale to sell off a bunch of stuff, and these craft supplies didn't go, so he saved them for me. So there was 2 packages of this wired ribbon. It's faux fur leopard print, which I just love. I think I'm going to make some cute little mini notebooks with this. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do with it. It does have a little bit of a mildew smell, so I'm going to run it through the wash first. I really don't have anything to lose, but I think that will take care of it. I'll wash it with some vinegar in the rinse, so to get rid of the smell, because it's worth it to me. I love leopard print. And then there's a bunch of this buffalo check, same thing, jumbo wired ribbon, 75-foot rolls, and there's like 4 or 5 of these rolls of the buffalo check. So I was pretty thrilled with that, because buffalo check is one of my favorite patterns to use. And then there's that one's black and white, and then this one is like beige and black, which I really like as well. And all really big rolls, so quite thrilled with that. And then we've got a roll of sequins ribbon, quite wide, 3.5 inches by 6 feet. So I can get a lot of use out of that in a mermaid journal or just anything that wants to be glitzy. So that's fun. I'm just going to put these so you can kind of see them. I'm going to run out of room, I think. And then I've got spring ribbon. It says 2 rolls, 30 yards. So this roll is 30 yards. There must have been 2 in the package. It's strange that they labeled it on the thing, but it's yellow and lime green. Kind of a neat design. I almost wonder, the way it has this strings down the center, if you could gather it with those strings, but I don't know. And then some crinkly white ribbon. And they all kind of smell a little bit. Might have to get them out in the sun, or just rinse them before I use them. Rinse them in vinegar, baking soda. Try to get rid of that smell, because there's some really cute ones. We've got some reindeer on burlap, printed on burlap. That's going to be harder to get the smell out of, I think. And then we've got all kinds of, we've got some more of that vine. I love that vine stuff. It's got the little hemp cord and the green leaves. And then we've got gold cord, red sparkly cord, gold sparkly cord, a nice muted gold ribbon, and another gold cord. This is a great big green Rubbermaid tote, and it's almost, well, it's not full. The bottom of it is completely covered though. I've used this before. It's like a braided gold cord, and then red sparkly rhinestone trim, and that was Michael's. And then Celebrate It. I'm not sure if Celebrate It is Walmart or Michael's. I think it's Michael's. Got some pink chiffon. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I might even have to use some of this on my Christmas tree this year. I've got so much. Another pink one with gold. And then some aqua blues, really pretty. And then another one that's kind of pink and sparkly. And then some more golds. I think that's the same. And that's the same. Another pink one with gold threads through it. So just a plethora of great stuff. Another one of these. It's almost got a bit of a coppery tinge to it. Really like that. More gold cord. And I will take these all off of the spools. So because I need to get the smell out anyway, I'll take them off the spools, maybe do them right in the tub that they got them in. And I'll, instead of putting through the washing machine, I'll wash them in this tub and then iron them to dry them with my flat iron, like one that you would use on your hair, and then wrap them onto flat cards so they take up a lot less room. That's my plan. So I may bring you back when I do that, just to show you that it can be done. This is really pretty polyester plaid ribbon. Good for Christmas or good for your Outlander journal. We've got some silver of the braided ribbon as well. And then some black and orange Halloween colors. Good for right now. And then I really liked this leaf one. It's a green background with, it's got wire in the edge and just like it looks like stamped on leaves. That's a really pretty one. There's no label, there's no writing on the label of that one, so I don't know where it came from. There's another big one of the white and black buffalo check. Another beautiful pink chiffon. This is the same, only not as wide. Definitely worth salvaging them. This white iridescent trimmed ribbon is pretty. And then just a little white satin ribbon. Got some more of the gold cord. Lime green. Put that with the Halloween. And then I love the polka dots. This one is different. I've not seen this type of ribbon before. It's called Ribbon, Acetate Ribbon, Craft Smart by Michaels. It's got little stitches all in it. I've never seen that before. A tape measure, which I'm always looking for old tape measures to use in my crafting. I'll probably put that in my sewing box. Oh, and there's another roll of that ribbon in the brown background. And then some more of the rhinestones. I have used rhinestones on different things before. There's some pink ones. And then this is really pretty, another soft pearly pink. We're almost done, folks. There's a nice Mardi Gras colors. And then a good pink plaid. And then I will be saving all of these. I save these and decorate them. Just as, you can make covers for small booklets out of them, or you can decorate them and use them as page edgers, or all sorts of things. I have a video on that. I'll link it down below so you can see the decorated ones that I did with my last batch of ribbon. There's some cobalt blue. Some more of this coppery one. There's a really pretty mauve with little hearts. And then another red sparkly one. And then another one of these weird little sewn ones. I don't know. I missed that fad. I don't know what that is. Oh, we even have a couple pairs of scissors in here. This is awesome. I didn't see those yesterday when we went through this. A couple pairs of inexpensive scissors, I would say. Oh, Cuisinart ones. It might be good. And then we've got a carrot. It's kind of broken on the end. I don't know if I'll keep that. Don't have a use for that. And then we've got some more of that weird sewn ribbon in orange and green. And I thought this was interesting, cork ribbon, really thin strips of cork. I think the rest are all doubles. We've got another braided one with green and gold and a red and gold or burgundy and gold rope. So just a great assortment. I'm going to have a lot of TV time getting it organized, getting it onto cards, and an afternoon of cleaning it, I'm sure. I'll have to be careful that nothing, you know, bleeds color onto something else, but I'll get her done. Gives me lots to do. It can stay in the tote for now. I may put it in a tote and close it up with some baking soda for a few weeks until I get around to washing it, and that'll help get rid of some of the smell as well. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing my great bunch of stuff that I got for free, and do come back and see how I use it. I'm sure I'll be using a lot of these for Christmas crafting, but all through the year. I love the buffalo check for all the different holidays, so I'll use it that way. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, but most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.